Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to reset Kikoff account password. If you don't have a Kikoff account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then click on Login. Now, you'll see an option that says Forgot Password. Click on Forgot Password. On the field provided, enter your email address. Then click on the Reset Password button. You will then see a confirmation email. Attached on the email is a password reset link. To proceed, click on the link. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page where you can reset your password. On the first field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After entering, click on Next. And now your password has been reset. That's how you reset your Kikoff account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.